When we have a big party round the corner, be it a birthday party, marriage reception or any other party for that matter, we spend countless hours planning for the event. We want to impress our friends, family and guests with our careful planning and organization. Well, that journey to impress or mesmerize your guests or invitees starts from the day you send out your first invitation. Your invitations are the first impression of your careful planning and organization, and they speak loads about the party or event your guests can expect to witness. Hey guys, my name is Sunil Chauhan and I'm a creative web consultant. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 3 design services I have recently launched on my website, namely Marriage Invitation Design Service, Birthday Invitation Design Service, and Restaurant Menu Design Service. Gone are the days when we used to send out invitations via postal mails. Nowadays, with the access to much faster modes of communication like emails, WhatsApp and messengers, we would rather use these applications to send out our digital invitations. With the ability to see instantly that your invitation has reached the desired recipient, this method also has the ability to enhance the experience of the recipient of the invitation by making it more interactive, which is something that was never really possible with the printed hard copy of the invitation sent through the postal mail. Now let me take you through each of these 3 design service offerings on my website so that you can clearly understand what you can expect to get from me in the form of digital asset if you plan to buy any of these 3 services from my website. The first in the list is Marriage Invitation Design Service. Marriage is a once in a lifetime event for most of us. We place so much importance on presentability of everything in our wedding, right from the clothes we are wearing to the meals that are served to our guests, and the aesthetics and aura of the venue itself. Your wedding invitation should be no different. It should be as beautiful as everything else in your wedding. Let me take you through the wedding invitation that I designed for a friend of mine. So here's how it looks like. Friend's name is Abhishek and he's getting married to Nikita. It's a 2-day event. On 19th of October, it will be an engagement ceremony. Notice I have added tap to view location on map link just below the address of the venue. So the invitees can tap on it and the location will open up in the Google Maps app, from where they can just start their journey to the venue.
Northwest on Sayok Lane, then turn right. This route avoids a road closure on National Expressway 3. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 4:22 p.m.
On 20th of October, it's the actual wedding day. This also has tap to view location on map link that will take invitees to the venue in the Google Maps app so they can easily reach the destination. Now as a host, it will help if we know beforehand who is coming and who might not be able to come. This will help us decide what sort of arrangement do we need to do. I have therefore added 2 pre-filled WhatsApp buttons that invitees can just tap on invitation itself to communicate their attendance. Next in the list is the Birthday Invitation Design Service. Just as wedding invitation, it also features tap to view location on map link as well as the WhatsApp buttons to accept with pleasure or decline with regrets. Finally, last in the list is the Restaurant Menu Design Service, and here's the one that I designed for a bearded cook. It lists all his cuisines in a neatly designed layout and features WhatsApp message button, click to call button, and his Instagram link. Customer can just tap these buttons right on the menu itself and they can either get in touch with him or just explore his Instagram where he shares his food stories and inspirations. So all these invitations and menu will be custom made for your specific need and requirements. You can give your preferences about the color, font or graphics you like. My job will be to take your design brief and convert it into a coherent design solution for you that will be pleasing to eyes and will follow all the design principles, and it will also have all the interactivity features discussed before. So if any of these design services might be of interest to you, you can check the links in the description section of this video. I look forward to talking to you to discuss your requirements. The final drill for you is to press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon and give me one of these. That's it for this video and I shall catch you in my next one.